Once you've collected an ice core on location, it first has to be transported to France, to Europe, all the while maintaining cold conditions. This means refrigerated transportation, either on a plane or a boat, to our cold rooms here. Once the ice core has reached the cold rooms, it's cut into sections. These sections are cut lengthwise in the ice core so as to produce blades which will be delivered to several researchers who are then able to measure each depth without using up the entire ice core at a given depth. These blades are used in various applications. For example, some will be sent to colleagues who are working on the physical properties of ice, which will allow us to study ice crystals, their size and evolution depending on the depth, but also their orientation. Another way of working on the ice is to conduct chemical analyses, which allow us to reconstitute all the parameters that are factored into the climate or the composition of the atmosphere. Different devices are used, like ion chromatography. They measure aerosols and impurities in the atmosphere, which will be incorporated into the snow and thus into the ice core during precipitation. We'll also measure these famous air bubbles, which contain a sample of the atmosphere's gas composition. Greenhouse gases are trapped in these tiny air bubbles. We'll measure CO2, methane, and nitrous oxide, the three main greenhouse gases caused by human activity and which can be studied over time thanks to the air bubbles.